Hi everyone. So I have prepared a very interesting clip for those who are interested in knowing about the general theory of what a black hole is and how a black hole is formed. So before coming on to the point, the main thing that we should all know is that what are the forces that are responsible for holding a star together. The first force that we are all abided by is the gravity, that is the gravitational force which acts in the inward direction. And the second force is the pressure force. How this pressure force is generated? Because of the core that is present in the center of the center of any of the star. For example, our sun, the molecular mass or the substance or the molten metal or the gases that are situated near it try to expand in the outward direction. Because of this, a pressure force, that is, at every point there is a perpendicular force that is generated, and the star try to expand itself, but the gravitational force and the pressure force are acting in the opposite direction. So both of these forces balance themselves and the star holds a position of a sphere. Okay, so now we come on to the second point, that is that every star possesses some of its life, and black holes are only formed at the end of the star's life. Okay, when the fuel that is burning inside the core of a black hole gets finished, the gravitational pull becomes more powerful onto the pressure force that is exerted by the burning of the core. But because the fuel is being finished, the gravitational force becomes dominant over that, and the star try to collapse at a single point with a very giant explosion. When this explosion happens, the whole mass of the star comes at a point in the center. That point is known as the singularity. Now, what a where the singularity is located? We all know when we think about a black hole, we think about a object which is black, a black spherical ball. But the ball that we are seeing, that is completely black in color, is known as the event horizon. And in between the at the center of the event horizon, the singularity point is located, whose gravitational force is immensely strong. And whenever an object tries to enter in the event horizon, that is the black portion that we see of a black hole, it undergoes a very extreme gravitational pull force. Because of that, the object gets stretched in form of a spaghetti, and this process is known as the spaghettification. So this is how a black hole is formed, that the whole process of the formation of a black hole.